I played the role of a dog called Toto. So all I had to do in the whole show was that's all I had to do.
Pose dene bajaye, he's doing. Will I look good? I'm very ugly. I'm very ugly. I'm very ugly. Tell me, help me, please help me. I'm very ugly. Look at my nose.
पूरा एपिसोड देखिए ZEE5 पर।
शामक डावर साहब प्लीज आइए। शामक, जितना अच्छा आप डांस करते हैं ऐसा लगता है कि आपके पूरे खानदान में सिर्फ डांस किया लोगों ने। आपके घर वाले में फैमिली में कोई और भी डांसिंग में इंटरेस्टेड है?
My grand aunt, Hunter Wali Nadia, and Homi Wadia, big icons of the film industry. They were very much into all this, more acting and being movie stars.
तो वहाँ से आपका इंस्पिरेशन है। लेकिन आपके पिताजी, आपकी मम्मी, आपके
Mommy, daddy dance, but
social dance.
Yeah, social.
Let me call your mother and let's talk to her. Please आइए। Welcome. Please, you have to introduce him because we know your mother.
That's Minu, my brother-in-law,
Okay.
who's come all the way down from the States.
From the States, United
Yes.
States. Just for the
And
show.
that's my
Well, it worked out that way.
जब इन्होंने ये फैसला किया कि भाई मैं तो डांस करना चाहता हूँ या मैं डांस सिखाना चाहता हूँ, तो then what did you feel कि यार ये क्या करने जा रहा है? What is this little boy trying to do?
Since he wanted to do something different, we allowed him to do it, provided he finished his graduation,
Which he did. Oh, okay.
Which he did, and then of course then he was on his own,
And now what
and
you're
with all
doing
our
is- he's
blessings and
exceptional now.
good wishes.
He's almost as famous as the Dower Institute. In school, कुछ स्टेज वेज पे काम किया था आपने? प्ले में कभी काम किया था?
My first school play, I played the role of a dog called Toto. So all I had to do in the whole show was that's all I had to do. That was
Sound
it.
bites. Talk
That
about
was it.
sound bites.
That was all it was.
Let me show you that. There's some sound we have got from you. Let's see the picture. Big break, Shamak. And we won't even ask you to describe what she was talking
It was
about.
something.
And what we'll do is, since I don't want to get into what happened with Mrs. Who was that? Haligua.
Yeah.
Okay. Since she said, we'll call somebody who will talk to us about so many good and terrific things
my
that you
God.
did. Please come in.
Oh my God. Naheed. Oh my God, I don't believe
Hi,
it.
Naheed.
Hello.
Thank you for coming. Please
Naheed,
come here.
you come
Arey,
here.
don't
Sit.
run away. You are a link to the past of Mr. Shamak Davar. Nice to have you on the show. Naheed, you know Shamak for a long time.
Many years.
Many years. And you know lots of things about Shamak जो हमको नहीं पता. Correct? तो हमको बताइए कि शामक को जब से आप जानती थी और जब शामक इतने थे और ऑमलेट पाव का शौक रखते थे, तब ये क्या करते थे?
बहुत करते थे. But
You can speak
he
English, don't
had
worry.
this he had this strange control on people, animals and birds. The reason I'm
That
saying
leaves
this,
out only the vegetables.
I think so. We had an African grey parrot who was the most staid, seedha sadha bird you can imagine. But the doorbell would ring, Shamak would enter, and this bird would go mad. Mad means really, fluff up his feathers and dance and sing, and then Shamak and he would exchange long kisses, the parrot with his black tongue. We used to feel quite repulsed by it, but Shamak loved this bird.
एक और बहुत खूबसूरत चेहरा बुलाता हूँ, जिसको देख के शामक जो है कितना मुस्कुराते हैं आप देखिएगा. प्लीज आइए.
I don't believe this, man. Superb. Just look it up. Just look it up.
Look at yourself. You haven't changed at all.
Anna, you also know Sham for quite Shamak for
Shamak,
quite some time.
Yeah.
And what is your first memory of Shamak? Like
First
people remember
memory
him on
of
the piano, they
Shamak-
remember him on the tank.
No,
in the
Twinkle
building.
Toes at Studio 29. Dancing is Blues Away. Volcano of Talent.
With Rachel?
No doubt about it. Yes, with
Rukshi.
Rachel, all right. And Rukshi. Yeah. And like I was saying, dancing his blues away or whatever, doing a damn good job of it. Volcano of talent, ready to erupt, and now an institution in himself.
And also like very interested in showing everybody how good he is.
Oh yes, he made
Better
it a
watch me,
point
I mean,
to.
if you know what's good for you. वो वाला किस्सा था.
We knew what was good for us. We watched him because he was too darn good. You couldn't miss him.
Absolutely.
I love the praise I'm getting today. It's good.
Yes.
It's nice.
True.
It's a good feeling. I love
शामक
it.
हम शुरुआत ऐसी करते हैं. उसके बाद फिर बराबर.
खट.
जी हाँ. यहाँ से देखते हैं उनमें से एक साहब के बारे में.
I remember, and I think you do too, we started our careers out at the same time. You taught us jazz ballet. You know, and I still dance with 2 left feet, but that's all right. And I see that you're opening up lots of schools for training new students and all that all over India. All the best for that. Do well in life, man. You're doing well and you're doing good work, and all the best.
That is so sweet.
शामक मतलब लकी ने तो ये कहा है कि भाई डिस्पाइट हिज 2 लेफ्ट फीट आप उनको सिखा रहे थे कि कैसे उनको डांस वांस करना है, लेकिन इनकी क्लास में क्या आप लोगों को मालूम है कि सिर्फ डांस ही नहीं सिखाया जाता, ज़िंदगी में कैसे बसना बसाना है वो भी सिखाया जाता है. यहाँ देखिए ज़रा.
Hi Shamak,
Hi, Shamak.
Oh my God.
this is Suragini
Nazim,
and we are
married because of you.
okay, husband and wife. हम लोग क्लासेस में मिले थे और अभी नवंबर में ही हमारी शादी हुई है.
Shamak का favorite pastime है matchmaking, लोगों को मिलाना. He loves doing that. Okay, and I always used to crib and say, why are you doing this and why him? And but look, I'm here with him all because of you, and I love you for that.
एक और साहब हैं जो वैसे बहुत टैलेंटेड हैं, लेकिन डांसिंग में कितने टैलेंटेड थे या नहीं थे इसका मुझे इल्म नहीं है, वो खुद आके बताएंगे क्योंकि उनको भी इन्होंने नचवा दिया. प्लीज़ तशरीफ लाइए.
Superb.
अभी
मैं मर गया.
अब आप मर गए.
अभी मैं मर गया.
चलिए सर, तो इनकी मौत को जरा सजाएं. तो आप शुरू हो जाइए सर.
पहली बार मैं शामक को जब मिला था वो मेरे स्टूडियो आए थे अपने फोटोग्राफ्स लेने के लिए, और बस वो मैं अपना कैमरा फिक्स कर रहा था और वो कह रहे थे कि बमन आई एम वेरी अगली, नो आई एम वेरी अगली, टेल मी. मतलब वो बोलने का मतलब ये था कि कुछ अच्छा करो मेरे बारे में,
और कम से कम इतना तो बोलता कि नहीं यार काफी.
तो मैं फिक्स कर रहा था, कुछ नहीं हो रहा था. आशा, बमन टेल मी आई एम वेरी अगली, नो. आई सेड या. फिर आई सेड, फिर ही वाज क्वाइट शॉक्ड बिकॉज फर्स्ट टाइम मैं फोटोग्राफी करियर में शुरू कर रहा था उस वक्त.
अच्छा, तब आप फोटोग्राफी किया करते थे?
हाँ, अभी भी करता हूँ. और ये he is the first celebrity that I ever shot, so I was supposed to be good to him. फिर कहा नहीं, my nose is very bad, no. So I said, show me your profile. So I said, profile दिखा, very bad nose. और फिर उसके बाद बैठे, बोला I'm very nervous in front of the still camera. अच्छा नहीं लगता है still camera. I'm a dancer, मुझे movements अच्छे लगते. तो मैं उनके रिलैक्स करने के लिए मैं I was cracking some jokes, हंसा रहा था. मैं भी खुद नाच रहा था उसके सामने. He's saying, you know, you should be on stage. मैं बोला मुझे कुछ stage with acting करने का कुछ शौक नहीं. He's saying, I promise you, I'll put you on stage. And this is the truth. कि ये भाई साहब मेरे ज़िंदगी में अगर नहीं होते तो मैं आज स्टेज पे भी नहीं और स्क्रीन पे भी कभी काम नहीं कर पाता.
यार तो मतलब you've done a lot of us viewers who are big Burman fans.
He's
a great
superb.
favor. He's such a talent.
Munna bhai and everything.
And so many
Let's
things. Even on
talk and-
theatre. Great.
So Burman is really, really talented, and he was.
I also believe that Burman imitates you very well.
मर गया, वो भी मर गया अभी.
So Burman, full speed ahead.
मतलब मैं उनके फोटोज ले रहा था और पोज देने बजाय he's doing. Well, I look good. I'm very ugly. I'm very ugly. I'm very ugly. Tell me, help me, please help me. I'm very ugly. Look at my nose. Yes, you are very ugly. Okay, but he's a beautiful guy.
Sure you.
पूरा एपिसोड देखिए ZEE5 पर.